Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make our own Yoto cards and custom card labels. So let's get going. All right, so first you want to purchase your audio file, then download it to your computer. Head over to Yoto's website and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Make Your Own. Scroll down just a bit and click Visit Library/Make Playlist, and from there, add a playlist. Start by giving your playlist a name, and then it's optional, but you can go ahead and add a description if you like. Okay, now I'm going to add some artwork for the playlist. The audio files came with their own artwork cover, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that. And now we are ready to add our audio. I'm going to go ahead and add all the audio files that I downloaded for this playlist. And once I've selected all the audio, I can go ahead and click upload. And now for the fun part. You can go ahead and add icons for each track in your playlist. Hit this little icon here, and that'll take you to Yoto's icons, or you can make your own Yoto icons. There's a website that has a bunch of different icons that you can choose from and download, like this monkey, for example. And then you can just go ahead and upload it into My Icons and use that if you like. But the icons in the Uno library are pretty vast, so you can choose from many different ones. So for this first track, I'm going to select some musical notes because the first track is a song. There's a few different ways to make Yoto card templates, but I found that this website is the best, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and I'll make sure to link to it in the description box down below. What I love about this is that you can modify the template to have a border or no border. I like the artwork to go all the way to the edge, so I chose no border. Then once you generate your PDF file, it will give you a tip on printing. Select 100% to scale, not fit to page. Next, use vinyl sticker paper to print out the card stickers. This template has 9 total card templates. I want to say this step is optional but necessary because if you have little ones, they often have sticky hands, or if they have wet hands, this is just an extra layer of protection for the template stickers so that they can last a long time. Since I chose no border, there aren't any gaps in between the card stickers, so I'm just going to use a rotary cutter to cut off the large excess pieces, and then I'm going to follow up with scissors to round the corners and get precise cutting. You can buy Yoto make your own cards from their website or just from Amazon. This part, I'm always holding my breath because lining up the sticker perfectly on the Yoto card is definitely a skill. So sometimes I just have my husband do it for me because he's better at it than I am. Before we add the playlist to the card, I wanted to show some Yoto player accessories that I really love. These are all from Amazon. I can link to it in the description below, but I love that these hold up to 88 cards and 4 cards a piece, and I love visual presentation that you can see it. And then this case holds Yoto cards as well, and the charger, and of course the Yoto itself. It's just really handy when you're traveling to have it all in one place. Okay, now let's sync the audio to the card. So open up the Yoto app and find your playlist that you just created. This is super simple. You just link to a card. You can use your phone, so select use your phone and take the card and tap it against your phone until it gives a check mark, and then you will get a confirmation it is now linked to your card.